Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to work with the Cropty Wallet using the example of the ByBit exchange and the dogs coin. First, I will show you how to exchange any of your coins for dogs, how to buy dogs on the ByBit exchange. Then, we will withdraw the coins to the Cropty Wallet, after which we will take a loan in USDT using dogs as collateral, repay the loan, return our dogs, and I will show you how to withdraw the coins back to the ByBit exchange. It's all very simple and convenient. Let's move to our wallet now. I will go to the spot account, click on exchange, and exchange the NOT coins for dogs. We click on exchange. In the first line, we choose the NOT coin, I choose it, but you can pick another, and in the second, we enter dogs, the coin I want to buy. Great, now I can enter the amount of NOT that I want to exchange. I entered the amount and click on exchange. We wait, this may take some time, but it usually happens instantly. We confirm everything and wait for the exchange to complete. The exchange is done, and we can continue working. Let's transfer the dogs coins to our Cropty wallet. We need to go to Cropty now, log in, and after logging in, enter the dogs token into the wallet. Here it is, great. Next, we need to select the deposit button and, of course, choose the corresponding network. The network should be TON. Great. After that, we copy the wallet address and go back to ByBit. We go to the wallet. We can either go directly to the spot account or click on withdraw. We are interested in withdrawing the dogs coin, so we enter the address here. You can also use the QR code if it's convenient. Of course, we choose TON as the network. We do not use the memo phrase because we are withdrawing to our specific wallet in Cropty, not to the exchange. Our wallet in Cropty is a unique wallet, and withdrawing to this wallet does not require entering a memo phrase. For example, we can withdraw the maximum amount. We click on Withdraw, Friends. Then we confirm the withdrawal, entering the PIN code that was sent to our email and the Google Authenticator code. We get the code sent to our email and enter it here, copy the Authenticator code, and confirm. Okay, done. Now we wait for our coins to arrive. We can also click on the History button to view our transactions. We have one withdrawal transaction, and here are its details. The withdrawal is currently in process. When the funds arrive, we will see our balance. We have received our coins in the Cropty wallet, and the balance is already displayed. We click and check our deposit, and the status of the order on ByBit has also changed. Everything is ready, we can move on. Now we will take a loan in USDT secured by dogs. We go to the Opportunities section, then to Loan. Next, we select Borrow. In the second line, we choose Dogs, set the maximum amount or the required amount, and see how much we can get in USDT. Of course, we check the FAQ. We confirm our agreement. If you have any questions, check the FAQ, there are answers to all your questions. Then we confirm the loan operation, after which we receive a code and confirm. Good. Now let's see what we have in our balance. We go to our wallet and see that the loan has been taken. We see that we have $5 in our balance. Now, how do we repay the loan? It's very simple. We also go to the Opportunities section, go to our loan, and then to the active loan. Here, of course, we have the statistics of our loan, and we click on Repay. We check what we have, and we repay. Of course, we receive a code, enter the code, and it's done. Then we return and check the wallet, our dogs tokens have been returned. Wonderful! This is how you can take a loan and repay that loan. We have returned our tokens. Let's transfer our dogs coins from the Cropty wallet back to the exchange. We go to ByBit in the wallet section. You can click on deposits right away or go to the spot section. For example, we can click on deposit right away. Crypto deposit, we select the dogs coin. If you don't see it, you can search for it. We choose the TON network, of course, and confirm. Here we have our wallet, which we copy. We've copied it, wonderful. Next, we go to Cropty, select our coin, and send it through the network. Of course, our network is TON. Here we paste our address. Next, we go back to ByBit, and here it's very important to copy the memo phrase because this memo phrase will help your coins reach your wallet. It is essentially the identifier for your account. We paste this memo phrase in the comments and enter the amount, for example, the maximum. After that, we send it to our wallet on ByBit and confirm. We enter the code that was sent to your email and confirm the withdrawal to your account on the ByBit exchange or any other. Great, now when we return to the main page of our Cropty wallet, we see that there's no balance. When we enter dogs, we see that there's nothing. We go to the ByBit exchange, and here we are waiting for our coins. We expect them to arrive in our balance soon. That's it. The dogs tokens have arrived. we can go and check the balance, see the transaction. Here is the confirmed deposit transaction. This is how simple it is to work with the Cropty Wallet. It is very convenient and easy to work and collaborate. In this video, I showed you how to exchange tokens on ByBit, how to transfer money from ByBit to Cropty, how to take a loan in USDT secured by Dogs tokens, how to repay the loan, and how to withdraw Dogs tokens back to the ByBit exchange or any other. That's all, friends. Thank you for your attention. I wish you comfortable work with the Cropty Wallet.